Going to move on to our Central Erongo Gold Project. As I said, we started putting this project together through applications and acquisitions in 2018. At the time, the founders, Wade and Dan, and the board of directors of Antler Gold backed myself and the team to come down to Namibia and look for prospective land packages, regional land packages that share similarities to known gold deposits. We started putting this project together in 2018, and subsequent to that, Osino Resources, who is contiguous with us, announced the discovery of Twin Hills through some fantastic technical work that the guys were able to do on that. Again, it covers the highly prospective areas of the Damara Mobile Belt, which is slowly starting to be known as a new up-and-coming gold belt in the world. And it shares similarities to a known gold deposit. Antler Gold, for a very cheap amount of Canadian dollars, has been able to do a significant amount of work to bring this project up from a conceptual idea to a drill-ready project. We've done just shy of 5,000 meters in heady mag, which allowed us to identify 7 gold targets that are associated with IP and structural anomalies. We've done just shy of 3,000 meters of drilling over an area that allowed us to confirm that the system, the hydrothermal system, is mineralized. And we've done just shy of 5,000 meters in soil and calcrete sample. So that has allowed us to understand that there is a mineralization broader than what we expected initially. Technical glitch. So again, this shows since 2018 how much work we've been able to do. And this demonstrates not only how far our exploration dollar can go in our jurisdiction of Namibia, but also the accessibility and the workability of Namibia, a country that's definitely recognized as one of the, if not the most stable jurisdiction in Africa. We've been able to, across our licenses, that takes a significant chunk of this Central Erongo area, do geophysical, airborne and walk mag, IP, geological mapping, sampling, drilling, and drilling sampling. And we've moved this target from a conceptual thought in 2018 to now being ready for a drill out. From a locality perspective, this displays what we're targeting when we put together the project. Let me put my pointer on. In the green lithological code over here, we have the Arandis Formation. That is the big hole in the middle there is granitic plutons that act as heat sources to bring the mobilization of mineralized fluid up to areas. These dotted lines that we have running through here are big regional structures. Down here on the south is the Caribou Fault, which is known to play a key role in the mineralization of Twin Hills. Up here on the north is the recently discovered by the Antler Gold technical team, the Kransberg Fault. And you can see that these run parallel to each other and share similar lithological contacts and boundaries. With that, we have the heat source and the plumbing, and then the geology allows us to have areas that act as conduits or dropout areas for accumulation of mineralization. So those are the fundamentals that brought us to the area and made us start putting together a significant land package here. We've identified 7 targets. The ones that we have now brought to a drill-ready state are our C2 Extension 2 target and our C2 Extension South target. On the C2 Extension 1 and 2 target, we have a drill-ready target that has anomalous gold and calcrete assays that are coherent with geophysical features. On our C2 South target, we have a 7-kilometer gold anomaly that is contiguous with the Twin Hills deposit, and this target remains largely untested. Just to demonstrate the rationale behind what we've put together there, is on C2 South, we've put together a 7-kilometer target that covers prospective geology, has mostly been underexplored due to the cover of the sediments. And now we're looking to test these anomalous clusters of geochemical data sets. On the C2 extension target, we've got a 3.2 strike anomaly that we're now starting to target. This is on the northern limb of the Kransberg syncline and shares almost mirror images to the Twin Hills deposit. So the technical team is busy putting a program together to further these anomalies.